Now this is the experiment for electromechanical under voltage relay. It means this relay will operate when the applied voltage is less than the sum around set. Here it is to vary the TMS, which is always set at 1 for this experiment. This is plug settings for the voltages 55, 56 and 7. This where earlier it was PSM, but now it is a percentage of applied voltage 70%, 60%, 50%. If your applied voltage, or we can say if your fault voltage is 70% of the applied voltage, then your relay will operate at some around 10 seconds. And in the same way, if your fault voltage is some around 90% of the applied voltage of the plug setting, and at that time your relay will operate at 25 seconds. So this is the mechanism of this program, and it is operating in DC only. In the same way, in this experiment, we are having two dimmers, dimmer 1 and dimmer 2. Initially, both the dimmers should be set at 0 positions. Two buttons are there, same way, set button and test button is there. So first, we will start this experiment. I have set the plug setting for this experiment at 77. This buzzer is run. This buzzer is running because his kit is in test mode. Make it set mode. Now this buzzer will close now. Okay. Now 77 is the plug setting. To operate this relay, we should apply voltage more than 77, which we can vary from dimmer 1. See, when applied voltage is more than 77, this disc is rotating. It simply means this relay is energizing, just to energize the coil. Suppose I have set it at 90 volts, more than 77, only to energize the coils. So it is in position, good position. It is on test mode. Now make it at test mode, and after making this, vary this dimmer 2. The dimmer 2 means vary at 20. It means I am applying 20% of the applied voltage. 20% of applied voltage, make it 20. And now start. It simply shows 28 is the fault voltage, and here is the relay is operating and operate as 5.9 seconds. So 28 was fault voltage, 5.9 is the operating time, and the relay was operating. Please. Now do one thing. Again vary this knob and made 40% of the voltage. नीचे दिखाओ, इसमें दिखाओ, आ रहा है, पूरा दिख रहा है. So here it is, पूरा ऊपर ऊपर इसके ऊपर लाओ. Here it is 77 is the set voltage, 20% applied, then 26 voltage is the fault voltage, and operating time is 5.6. And now we will repeat for different percentage of voltage. ऊपर करो, आ रहा है पूरा. Now 40% of the applied voltage, and start. So 45 is the applied voltage, which is less than 77. So the relay is operating, and here is the operating time of the machine, which is 7.8 seconds. Now again restart. Now vary the percentage. Say it is for 60%. Say it is for 60%, and then start. It is some around 64. So that's why the relay is operating, because it is less than 77. It will take more time. For more percentage of voltage, it will take more time. So the operating time is 11.8 seconds. Recycle. Now again vary. Make it 80%. And then start. 80% is some around 78, which is more than 77. So the relay will operate, but very slightly it is operating. I can do like this. Say I am applying here 100. So it is come back here. But the restriction is, don't start your kit before the disk is come into the rest position. मतलब इस डिस्क को पहले 0 पोजीशन पे आने दो, उसके बाद ही स्टार्ट बटन को प्रेस करना. अब यहाँ पर ये 100 है, अब इसको स्टार्ट किया. सी 100 is 91%. It means it is not operating. It means what? इट मीन्स वॉट इज 100% ऑफ अप्लाइड वोल्टेज, मतलब पहले हमने 90 वोल्ट को अप्लाई किया था, उसका 100% अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, तो ये जो डिस्क है ऑपरेट नहीं करेगा. सो दिस इज द रिजल्ट, फाइनल रिजल्ट इज हियर. एंड आफ्टर डूइंग दिस वी हैव रीडिंग्स, यहाँ दिखाओ. Now we need to plot the graph between percentage of set voltage and the operating time. So we can plot the graph like this. The graph is like this, between the percentage of voltage, and here it will be the time. So our graph will come like this. Save कर दो.